Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how do I make my own sugaring paste. Let's get started. Here in a bowl I took 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of distilled water. So bring this both ingredient to a boil, and once it starts boiling, then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of sugar. And for now I'm gonna keep my flame to high, and once I add the sugar and once it starts to boil, so after a first boil I'm gonna lower the flame into 3 and cook it on temperature 3. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of sugar and stir it really well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my thermometer in there. So for medium consistency, I like to cook between 260 to 270, and for hard consistency it should be between 270 to 280. So I cook it until 265 in between. So once it reach the temperature that I want, I'm gonna let all air bubbles cool down and then pour it into a plastic container. And it's very thick container, very heavy duty, it won't mold the plastic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how does this sugaring paste. This is the next day that I'm using the same paste. So apply in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So the hairs are going down and I'm using upward. So apply opposite the hair direction and then pull the skin tight and pull in the direction of hair growth with a quick flick. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the whole leg using the same method, and if you feel that the hairs are still left somewhere, you can go in the direction of the hair growth in second pass. Sorry about that noise in the background. So what is sugaring? Sugaring is basically pure and natural ingredient. The sugar paste only contains sugar, water and citric acid, which is lemon, as a preservative, and it's completely edible and all natural. There's no chemicals, no polymers, nothing. The second benefit is it's no risk of burning. So once the sugar paste has cooled down, then you can directly use it on your skin, on your body, and it's not like hot like other waxing, but it's just it warms up with your body temperature and it melts with your body temperature as you keep on doing, and it's easier to clean up. So basically if you have sugar paste on your body somewhere left, you can just use warm water and it comes out very easily, and it's not like very sticky just like other waxing. So it's easy to clean up, and sugar paste won't stick to live skin. Basically sugar paste is just sticking to your hairs and not your skin. So basically when you're pulling, you're just pulling the hairs, you're not pulling the skin off. And after sugaring, it does not leave you lot of redness, lot of irritation, or it's not painful like other waxing. It's less painful. Sugaring is more sanitary, so there's no sticks involved. You don't have to use stick to apply, and you don't have to pull with strips. So it's more sanitary and more hygienic, and bacteria cannot grow in sugar paste, so it's more sanitary. Sugaring will not break many hairs, and sugaring removes even very short hairs. And this sugaring paste is pretty much getting all the hairs in one pass, and it's even getting the small hairs and even getting the long hairs. So this is a homemade sugaring paste. You guys should definitely try this. And sugaring leaves skin feeling soft and clean after. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions please don't hesitate to write in the comment box, and I will reply as soon as possible. And see y'all in my next video. Enjoy.